Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Japan. This is an Umai crate. You can head on over to japancrate.com to find these and use the coupon code TheRamenRater to get yourself a discount. These are boxes full of all sorts of interesting Japanese fare, mainly based on ramen. So let's crack this one open and see what's inside. Oh, cool. All right, upon opening the box, you will find an informative pamphlet, and you'll also notice this is indeed the June 2022 Umai crate. As you can see, there's info about all the products and how to create them in your home. Now, if you don't know how to prepare instant noodles from Japan, like how to read the directions and things like that, you don't want to lose this, so don't, alright? You also get a recipe card. Alright, well, I'm going to go through everything in the box and tell you a little bit about it. First off, we have boiled and stirred Kishimen. And Kishimen is a variety that's popular in Nagoya. And I really don't know much about it other than that. So it's a flat noodle. We'll give it a try soon. And from Itomen, we have some Yaki Soba. This will probably be what you call a sauce Yaki Soba, which basically is comprised of that kind of Yaki Soba sauce you might be used to. You probably had it. Kind of tastes like Worcestershire. And then a noodle that you boil, drain, and put the sauce on, stir it up, and go, yeah, that's it. Then we've got this Takanoko Rice, and this literally is just a thing of rice. And you cook it up, and then you have some rice. It looks like it's got a lot of vegetables in it, so I'm curious. I'll give this a try. It's not ramen, but yeah, it's food. So this one's from Yamamoto. This is Tanuki's father's secret spicy recipe ramen. This is kind of like a tonkatsu, and it's really good. I've had no complaints on the different varieties. There's generally a spicy and a non-spicy, and the translation of each variety seems to be a little different each time. But yeah, this is a good one, so worthwhile to try it. And then we've got some Kitsune Udon. This is not the Akai Kitsune Udon. It's a different one. I don't know what line this is from. This is a Marchand variety. I don't know that I've reviewed this, so we'll have to give it a try. And then from Kinko Foods, this is their Shoyu Ramen. It uses 100% vegetable oil, which they like to say is a healthy point of it, and it's generally pretty good. But yeah, it's a soy sauce ramen. There you go. And then we have one from Knorr. I don't know. I like to call it Knorr, but I'm pretty sure it's just Knorr. This is a clam chowder pasta. Yeah, so clam chowder with noodles. Interesting and very, very Japanese. And next up, we've got one from Takamori. This is their Agadashi Udon. And what's neat about this one, this comes in a paper pack. And it's like paper, and on the inside, it's got a thin layer of plastic that kind of keeps it safe. But yeah, this is probably going to be pretty good. They generally put more premium varieties in this kind of presentation. So yeah. And finally, we've got this one. What is this? This is Mochi Fu. Mochi Fu has a silky, smooth, and chewy texture. It's also perfect for absorbing lots of flavor. That's why it's a perfect ingredient for Japanese hot pots and soups. Try it with sukiyaki hot pot and miso soup. Sounds interesting. I'll give that a try. Alright, so in the June 2022 Umai crate, you'll get Agadashi Udon, Kitsune Udon, a little cup of rice, clam chowder pasta, Shoyu Ramen, Yaki Soba, something spicy, Kishimen, Mochi Fu, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Alright, cool. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Japan Crate for shooting this over. And yeah, if you want to get one of these neat boxes, head on over to japancrate.com, look up these Umai crates, and use the coupon code TheRamenRater for a discount. Alright, well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.